Welcome to eiwayshop, your go-to destination for all things beauty and fashion. In today's video, we're sharing our top daily makeup tips to help you look polished and professional for the office. Whether you're a makeup novice or a beauty enthusiast, these simple tips will have you looking flawless from 9 to 5. So grab your makeup bag and let's dive in. Tip 1. Start with a clean canvas. Before applying any makeup, make sure to cleanse and moisturize your skin to create a smooth base. This will help your makeup go on more evenly and last throughout the day. Don't forget to apply a primer to minimize pores and create a long-lasting finish. Tip 2. Keep it light and natural. When it comes to office makeup, less is often more. Opt for lightweight, breathable formulas that enhance your natural beauty without looking overdone. A tinted moisturizer or BB cream provides light coverage while still allowing your skin to shine through. Tip 3. Focus on the eyes. Your eyes are the focal point of your face, so make sure they look bright and awake. Use a neutral eyeshadow palette to create a subtle, everyday look. Curl your lashes and apply mascara to open up your eyes and make them appear larger and more alert. Tip 4. Define your brows. Well-groomed brows frame your face and give you a polished appearance. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas and shape your brows for a natural yet defined look. Finish with a clear brow gel to set them in place all day long. Tip 5. Add a touch of color. A swipe of blush on the apples of your cheeks adds a healthy flush to your complexion and brightens up your overall look. Choose a shade that complements your skin tone and apply it with a light hand for a natural finish. Tip 6. Don't forget the lips. A subtle lip color adds the perfect finishing touch to your office makeup look. Opt for a nude or pink lipstick or lip gloss that enhances your natural lip color. For a polished finish, line your lips with a lip liner to prevent feathering and ensure long-lasting wear. Tip 7. Set it and forget it. Finally, set your makeup in place with a light dusting of translucent powder to minimize shine and keep your makeup looking fresh throughout the day. Spritz on a setting spray to lock everything in place and ensure your makeup stays put from morning until night. And there you have it, our top daily makeup tips for the office. Whether you're heading to a board meeting or a coffee date with colleagues, these simple tips will help you look polished and put together without spending hours in front of the mirror. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to eiwayshop for more beauty tips and tutorials. Until next time, stay fabulous.